We have recently released some great enhancements to forms within SharpCloud. Previously, forms could be used to create items. Now users are able to edit item properties with forms via PC, laptop, and also mobile. Forms are an amazing way of capturing information, simplifying the complex data and converting them into items in a story. Forms can be used on the move and as an easy way to capture specific information that is required. Now with this new feature, you can allow users, if given the correct permissions and access, the ability to edit items using forms. This means users who are collaborating on your story can simply fill out a form and keep the items in your story maintained with the up-to-date information. To allow items to be edited from a form, you must first enable the feature. To do so, go to the Manage Forms area, as shown here, and select the checkbox to allow editing. When using SharpCloud on the PC and laptop, it is made apparent what item the form is currently editing, or if you are creating a new item using the form. This is symbolized by the title above the form and also the border highlighting the item. If there is no item selected, the form will indicate that you are creating a new item, as shown here. You can share a form with other users by sending them the URL, which can be found in the pop-out window, as shown. When the users access the form via the URL and the form allows editing like this one, they will be given the choice to either create a new item or edit an existing item. You can allow viewers or anonymous users access to the form by going to the Manage Form window and selecting these boxes. As standard, any user who has edit or admin permissions can access these forms. Another great feature that's now available is that you can select a form to be linked to a view. This means that when users enter that view and have the correct permissions, they can easily create or edit items in a simple way. As the story owner, you can define what attribute information you wish to have captured or edited using the form, allowing users to easily collaborate on your story and not have to go through a lengthy process in filling out loads of columns of information. In this example, I have 3 views. This first view does not have a form associated with it at the moment, but if I go to the second view, you'll see this program and objective status form appear. This is a different form to the one previously shown, but this form also allows item editing. You can see here, when I select an item, the form becomes populated with the current attribute values of that item. I have selected the item called Insight. I will now change its attribute values using the form and press Update. I configured this form to have the attributes displayed that are associated with the view, but any attribute can be selected to show on a form. A similar example can be shown here on the third view. The form automatically pops out when I enter the view. The form can be closed by pressing the X in the corner as shown here. If I return to the first view, I will now show you how to link a form to a view. If you proceed to the view options as shown, under the Layout tab you will see a menu called Selected Form. This will be a drop-down menu which has all your forms available. Click the form that you wish to have associated with the view and save those changes. You will now see that the form is available on the side of the view. By associating a form to the view, not only does it make it easier for users to edit items within the view, but it also makes it simpler for users to edit items using their mobile, as I'll now show you. This is how SharpCloud appears on mobiles, where you can navigate to your stories and other areas of SharpCloud such as forms and communities by using the buttons at the bottom of the screen. I will enter the story that I've been using so far and show you why associating a form to a view makes it easier for users to edit on the move. As I have associated a form to the second view, you will see that there is now an edit pencil on the right hand side of the item. Once I press that, you can now see the form that I have chosen to appear on that view, allowing me to edit and update the items.